In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Slack. Connecting Calendly to Slack is a great way to stay on top of your meetings without constantly checking your calendar. Once this integration is set up, you can receive scheduling notifications directly in Slack, which keeps your workflow smooth and organized. Let's start inside your Calendly account. From your main Calendly dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll find a menu with several options related to your scheduling and settings. In that menu, look for the section labeled Integrations and Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Integrations and Apps page, which is essentially Calendly's library of tools it can connect with. You'll see a variety of services listed, but instead of scrolling through everything, we'll use the search function to make things faster. At the top of the Integrations page, locate the search bar. Click into that search bar and type in Slack. As you type, Calendly will filter the results and show you the Slack integration. Once you see Slack appear in the list, click on it to open the Slack integration details. On the Slack integration page, Calendly will usually give you a short description of what the integration does, such as sending booking notifications to your Slack workspace or allowing quick access to scheduling links. Take a moment to review this so you know what to expect. When you're ready, look for the button that allows you to connect or install Slack. Click that button to begin the setup. From here, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts. These steps may vary slightly depending on your Slack workspace permissions, but the general flow is the same. You'll be redirected to Slack's authorization page, where you may be asked to sign into your Slack workspace if you're not already logged in. Once you're in Slack's authorization window, you'll see a list of permissions that Calendly is requesting, such as posting in specific channels or sending you direct messages. Carefully review these permissions so you understand how the integration will behave. If everything looks good, click the button to allow or authorize the connection. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Calendly, where you may see additional options to fine